This video I'm going to show you how to loop a video over and over, so it's not going to play the next video. And if you're listening to a music that you like, for example music on YouTube, and you want to replay it for a couple times, or like you have a song that is only 3 minutes and you want to play for the whole night, it can loop over. And what you do is, once you tap on this, for example, it taps right here, it's gonna play the song, right? And after it goes to the end, for example, it goes to the end, it will actually go to a different music. So this one is, you don't want to switch to another music. What you want to do is you want to tap the gear icon right here on the top right, and it's going to show up a menu right here. And on this menu, you want to tap on more, and on more right here, there's an option for loop the video. So you tap the loop video, it's gonna loop the video over and over again. So to verify, if you go again to the gear icon right here, and you go to more, and you want to go to the loop, here it's enabled. That means it's gonna loop indefinitely until you stop it. But you also can do a timer. For example, if a music is for the whole night and you want to actually listen or podcast that you're gonna fall asleep in 20 minutes, you can actually use this timer right here. So after 15 to 1 hour, it's gonna stop, or it can stop at the end of the video as well. So you can use that. And so you are looping the video, so I'm gonna show you the end right here, and it's gonna loop the video again at 40. So it's gonna be the same right here, the same music. As you can see, it's looping the same video. So if you wanna replay the same song or replay the same thing over and over, this is how you loop a video on YouTube app. So if you find this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching.